Our first step will be to open our project using the Project Manager browser, which allows you to easily access and organize your drawings and allows direct integration with the Autodesk Vault. The connector generator allows you to quickly create customized parametric connectors with specific attributes such as pin numbers, pin spacing, and geometric properties. In this instance, we'll insert a partial connector containing 2 pins, which can be annotated to whatever custom nomenclature you choose. This partial connector can be referenced with another split connector to create a parent-child relationship. Once you've edited the component tag, you can then view the pin list to show that these connectors are fully associative. Look how quickly you can add a wire-specific layer with the ability to define up to 20 user-defined attributes for each. Layers from legacy drawings can also be quickly added as wire-specific layers. Quickly enter the Set Wire Type dialog by entering the letter T in the command line, then select the appropriate wire-specific layer. The collision avoidance functionality automatically routes your wires around existing geometry. Each pin has a preset trapping distance, which allows you to approximate the termination selection, highlighted with a green X. This insertion shows you how you can set up the connector to adapt its pin spacing to existing wires and automatically create multiple terminations. The connector pin list allows you to annotate individual pin numbers within the drawing and can also be referenced in schematic reports. Imagine that a proposed design change specifies the need for an additional 28-volt lead. The connector generator menu has a specific insert splice tool to accomplish this task. Now that the splice is in place, we need to create an additional pin on our connector. With the simple connector editing tools, we can easily stretch our parametric connector to create room for an additional pin. Once we've created room on the connector, we can now add as many pins as we'd like. The new pin connection is now fully integrated into our parametric connector. Notice the automatically inserted 45-degree wire angle on the splice and the wire crossing loop. Additional tools within the Insert Wire command also allow you to insert 22.5 and 67.5 degree terminations. If the automatic wire routing doesn't come out exactly the way you'd planned, or you need to make room for additional geometry, there are dedicated tools like the Scoot command to assist you with making routing changes. The Scoot command works well with wires and components alike. Instead of inserting single wires repeatedly, you can create a multiple wire bus with a single command. After selecting the connecting pin and basic path, the wires will automatically land on the termination pins. Watch how the wire spacing automatically updates to the spacing of the connector pins. You can customize your preferred wiring number format on a project-wide basis or per individual drawing. The wire numbering placement can be customized to insert the number above, below, or in line. The Insert Wire command allows you to automatically insert wire numbers customized to your specific nomenclature on a wire-by-wire, drawing-wide, or an entire project basis. Wire numbers can also be fixed if you would like them to remain unchanged during a retag operation. Simple utilities like the Toggle Wire Number Inline tool allow you to quickly edit existing wire number placement and eliminate the need to create or rejoin wire breaks. Although the wire numbering feature is automatic, it may or may not place your numbers exactly where you want them. The Move Wire Number tool allows you to select a point on a wire where you'd like to relocate its number. Wire numbers are fully associative to their respective wires, so you cannot mistakenly transfer wire number information to another wire. The Align tool is another feature that eliminates time-consuming manual alignment of components and wire numbers, and ensures accuracy. The Cable Marker reference creates an association with all wires within your cable. This can later be used to generate a Cable From-To report that automatically references this information. You can either create a generic cable or select from a large database of manufacturer-specific cables. Now that we've created a schematic design, it's time to link those components with their associated footprints. Select from a list of existing schematic components and use this reference to generate and insert the associated footprints. Notice in the Catalog Data field that the manufacturer information has been automatically transferred from the schematic block, and the cable label block tag has been updated. Using the surfer command, you can see that the cable label footprint block is now associated with its schematic counterpart, allowing you to automatically zoom in on a specific wire within that cable. Take a look at the connector details. We've downloaded these simple DWGs from the manufacturer's website and turned the detailed view of these AMP connector blocks into intelligent footprints that are able to automatically reference connectivity information from the schematic design. Build the footprint once, store it in a custom component catalog, and you can duplicate this level of detail repeatedly with minimal effort. This is just a small example of how easily you can create custom components and manipulate AutoCAD-based attributes to create any type of annotation you wish. In addition to our detailed connector pinout list, we can also create this information in a tabular format. You can generate a cable from to report that can be placed in the drawing, or export the data to a variety of file formats for use in other systems. Because this list is fully associated with the schematic design, you won't have to spend additional man-hours verifying changes, which assist you in eliminating costly errors during the manufacturing process. This is just a small sample of the tools available for the creation of point-to-point designs, and it only covers a portion of the overall functionality available within AutoCAD Electrical. Add the 3D modeling of Inventor Professional and the data management of ProductStream, and you have a complete manufacturing solution that will help increase product quality, decrease overall design errors, and help manage your design data throughout the process.